have the most perfect day for you. A warm hello in every sense of the word. The sun is out and football has a special place on this most idyllic of days. A fixture ahead of us to which we've all been looking forward for so very, very long, and it means so very, very much. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific. The players are ready to get started, and we cannot wait for the contest that lies ahead. This place simply a monument to the game. So much prestige, so much pride, so much passion whenever football is played here. And as you can see, we've already started here. He's gone for it! And here's De Bruyne. De Bruyne plays it short. Now it's Dybala. Oh, he's in! And he heaves it forward. And here's Messi. Messi! Goal! Lyon! That is just remarkable, the amount of bend he got on that.
You know, what was notable in that, Peter, was the fact that he didn't try to blast it. He chose placement instead and delivered a peach.
Lyon take the lead, 1-0.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Who's ball? Who's going to get that? Hoists it forward. Tevez. Lyon are seeing a lot of the ball and have a 1-0 lead to show for it. Foot in. Messi gets it out to the wing. Kurzawa gets into the right position to intercept. Whipped in. Smalling puts it away, and it's played forward. Kurzawa. And it's Messi. Oscar. De Bruyne. Nice touch. Iniesta battles to win it back. Now it's Maradona. Iniesta. Here it comes. Maradona. In with a header! Good delivery. No joy.
Mbappe brilliantly anticipated the delivery, and he'll be annoyed it didn't lead to more.
And it's Tevez. Daniel Alves. Tevez. Look at the defender bombing forward.
this one!
He's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football, but it still had its moments. It ultimately produced just one goal. A very decent game up to now.
Well, this team has found a real rhythm to their game. The players seem to have clicked well, there's good movement off the ball, the passes are sticking. No one's afraid to have a go.
Lyon come in, having established that lead. Again, where the narrative is, at least in terms of the scoreline, so far so good. The action has already resumed here.
Lyon going well here, and they're in a good position to kick on and add to their lead. They don't have to overcommit, but they can place more emphasis on stretching their advantage without necessarily neglecting things defensively.
Messi with the clearance. Some good play on the left-hand side now to profit from it.
Yeah, it looks like a change of approach, and it may just freshen things up.
It's gone out for a throw-in. To shoot!
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
Jim, there's not too much subtlety or sophistication about this. It really is a question of needs must.
Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do.
It's James! Oh, denied brilliantly!
James Rodriguez simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
De Bruyne with the short one. Hernandez is there, and he can get that clear. Now it's Tevez. James. Messi. Oh, he'd have done well to reach that. De Bruyne pushes to get on the end of it. De Bruyne needed to come up with a better ball.
Yeah, the idea was right. The delivery wasn't. They can revisit that further on.
And that has been cleared. And it's Messi. Messi! Oh, that could cost them.
That had a lot resting on it, you know, Peter, and he's visibly cross with himself.
Boateng goes looking. Dybala drives it forward.
This is good ball retention, and it should be enough from here, but they want to double their advantage.
Iniesta. And here's Maradona. Maradona with the delivery. That is good defending. It's been repelled. Lyon just have to run down the clock. And the finish! And the referee brings it to a close. Lyon win it by the only goal.